Welcome. Today, I'll show how to stop Telegram from automatically downloading media when your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to save storage, reduce clutter, or just take more control over what gets downloaded to your device. If you've noticed that photos, videos, and other files are loading on their own every time you're on Wi-Fi, this setting is exactly what you need to change. The good news is that it only takes a few taps, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open Telegram on your device. Once you're inside the app, tap the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, this may look like 3 horizontal lines or your profile icon. From there, go into Settings. Inside Settings, look for Data and Storage and tap on it. This is where Telegram keeps all the options related to media downloading, storage usage, and connection behavior. When the Data and Storage menu opens, find the section called Automatic Media Download. Now look for the option that says When Connected to Wi-Fi. You'll see that Telegram is set to download certain media automatically whenever you're on a Wi-Fi network. To turn that off, simply toggle it off. Once that's done, Telegram will stop automatically downloading media over Wi-Fi, giving you more control over what gets saved and when. If you still want to download something, you can always do it manually by tapping on the file or media when you're ready. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've turned off automatic media download on Wi-Fi in Telegram. This is a great way to manage storage and keep your app from using data in ways you don't want. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more simple Telegram tips and updates.